Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to create Discord account on iPhone. But before I continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, of course you have to open your Discord apps. And now in this page, you have to tap on login if you have an account, but if you doesn't have, you just have to tap on register to create your account. And now in this page, you can enter your phone number here or your email. But here I prefer to use my number. And if it is done, tap on next button. And now you will receive a verification code here. Just enter it to the column 088057 088057 and tap on verify now. And next, enter your birth date. After that, tap on create an account. After, you just have to type your username, and in the column below, tap your password. If you done, tap on create an account. Actually, this is an information and you can skip it by tap on the skip button at the top right in the corner. You will deserve a pop-up load notifications for Discord in your phone, and now you can tap on maybe later on tap on allow. And here I'm gonna tap on allow. And in this part, you can choose your profile picture, or you can skip it by tap on the skip button at the top right. Here I'm gonna tap on next. And now enter your name. Tap next again here. And yeah, here you are. Now you already have an account on Discord. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.